Now we are ready to write the code for template class design. So before we do so, let me create the main program, and the main function is like that. So suppose we have converted the iStack class. iStack is the infinite version of the stack where data type is of integer only. And then suppose we convert it to a template class, then we can use the stack for any data types. Suppose the class template class we have is tstack is the name of the template class. Then we use something like this. Now we specify data type int and s1. In s1 you could push integers, and the integer is stored there. And similarly, you can have a tstack of a double type there. Then in S2, now you can push double numbers, something like this. So that's what you are going to do. Then how we design a tstack template, the functionality is the same as iStack we have learned in earlier lesson. So converting into a template from a specific type of class is simply go through step-by-step procedures. So that's a very easy process. So let's first copy the working code for stack for integer type and then convert to a template. So let me bring it up. This iStack is the infinite stack implementation. So there we designed the two classes, a stack class and then node class is used there. So we need to copy all of those two class definitions. Copy that, and then let's paste it into current project. The current project is template array. So let's paste those code. Then before we convert it, let's change the name of the class. So node class is used for int data types, but we are going to convert it to template. So let's change the class name node to tnode. And let me use Visual Studio Code edit, replace menu. So as we find the node, I'm going to change it to tnode. Then you can use one by one or all of them. So let's check one by one. So this is the first finding. So change it to tnode, and then this is second one. Yet change to tnode. The name should match it together. And then node.cpp, we do same thing. So first one is node.h. We are going to change file name to the class name as well. So currently it's node.h, but eventually we are going to change it to tnode.h. And then this is a class name, colon, function name. All of them should be tnode. So we have changed the node class definition to tnode, and then file name node.h should be tnode, node.cpp should be tnode.cpp. Let's do same thing for a stack class, stack.h, stack.cpp, and stack.h. Include, we need to include the tnode now instead of node, since we have changed that. Then iStack is class name, and we are going to change it to tstack, template stack there. So we can use arrow to find the very first one. So this is the first one. So we are going to change to tstack, and this one is a tstack. So we are done. And iStack.cpp, we do same thing. So first one is iStack.h is a tstack. And then we have done. We go, here we need to change it to tstack. So we have changed the class name. Now in iStack.h is using node class, but still we have changed the node to T node, so we need to change that one as well. Node should be changed to T node. So that's what we done there, and then this one we need to change to T node. All done, and then iStack.cpp we should do the same thing. So let's find the first occurrence is this here. It should be T node. This one is not the one's name, so skip that. T node, new node. Let's skip that. New node, skip that, skip that. Then this is a T node, and we have finished changing all of those. Now iStack, similarly, let's change the file name. Instead of iStack, let's use tstack. iStack.cpp, let's change it to tstack. So we have changed the class name, and then all the occurrences of class names are changed now there. Now we are ready to convert this into a template class. We have an error here because in tnode the friend is now tstack. Because of that, we had some private member access error there. So I have changed, cleared up everything now, and then we have a tnode class and then tstack class. We are ready to convert this working code, working for int type only, into a template class.